Transformer Auto Test TAT, a systematic way to increase the productivity, efficiency, reliability, consistency of transformer testing department by automatic testing and reporting of distribution transformers. TAT is a fully integrated automated test suite for testing of distribution transformers up to 630 kVA, 33 kV class. The suite consists of test bench, power panel, HV tester, MG set, voltage regulator, CTs and PTs, booster transformer, isolators. TAT gathers data in real time from the test instruments, prints report in full compliance with international standards such as IS, IEC and ANSI. In TAT, we have envisaged for an operator to make connection with two transformers to be tested simultaneously. Once you start testing, TAT automatically conducts low voltage tests. They are ratio test, resistance test, insulation test, vector group test on first transformer, and TAT automatically conducts power tests. They are load loss, no load loss, induced overvoltage, HV test and magnetic balance test on second connected transformer. TAT displays test results on screen. Let's know TAT system in detail. Connect first transformer under test to the low voltage test terminals of the test bench. Connect second transformer under test to the high voltage test terminals of the test bench. To start the TAT software, double-click on Transformer Auto Test icon on the screen. Separate logins for operator, manager and guest ensure security and prevent misuse of software. To log in, enter the username, password and click on OK button. Here, the main menu has two options: New Transformer for testing of new transformer and Edit Transformer for retesting and viewing the details of previously tested transformer. Let us click on New Transformer. Here, testing person enters customer name, purchase order details, testing date and the number of transformers to be tested. He selects the transformer model, also called transformer design data, from drop-down list. Based on the transformer model selected, basic parameters of transformer are fetched from the database, that is, transformer type, rating, reference standard, frequency, phase, terminal notation, voltage rating of HV and LV winding, tolerance limits for each test, etc. You may save data and click on Next button. If there is an ERP system in place, ERP integration is possible. All data can be exchanged with ERP system. In this testing screen, you need to enter customer name and lot number. Lot number is a useful feature when you have repeat order from the same customer. This screen has two sets of information. The left portion displays list of transformers available for conducting low voltage routine tests, and the right portion displays list of transformers available for conducting higher voltage routine tests, also called as power tests. You may select serial numbers of the connected testing transformers. Start Tests button appears, and once clicked on it, all the routine tests are conducted. If you need only few of the tests to be conducted, you may click on Select Test button. Once clicked, list of tests appears for selection. Both the connected transformers are tested simultaneously. While the TAT is conducting winding resistance test on first transformer, it conducts magnetic balance test and thereafter no load loss test on second connected transformer. During no load loss, LV side isolator closes and HV side isolator opens. Supply voltage to LV winding increases gradually and automatically through voltage regulator till it reaches the desired level. You may monitor the voltage, current and losses on power analyzer as well as on computer screen. Then, automatically, supply voltage to LV winding decreases through voltage regulator till it reaches 0th position. After that, isolator gets open. At the same time, winding resistance values are captured for both HV and LV winding. After completing the first test for both the transformers, TAT conducts load loss test and voltage ratio test automatically. After detecting the correct vector group, TAT shows vector group found message on the screen. After that, TAT starts the voltage ratio test. All the voltage ratios are captured. After the completion of the voltage ratio test, while TAT conducts insulation resistance test on first transformer, TAT requires the insulation values at defined time interval and saves the insulation value at 60th second for combinations of LV, HV and earth connections. It conducts induced overvoltage test, also known as double voltage double frequency test on the second connected transformer. After the completion of the insulation resistance test, while TAT conducts vector voltage test on first transformer, on the second transformer, it conducts high voltage test, which is also known as separate source voltage withstand test. If the measured value is out of the permissible limit, then the values are displayed in red color. Once low voltage routine tests on first transformer and power routine tests on second transformer are completed, now move on the first transformer in the position of second and get in a new transformer in the position of the first transformer and make the connection as explained earlier. By using one TAT lab, you can test about 50 transformers per shift of 8 hours, assuming connection and disconnection time of approximately 3 minutes. To take the print of the test report, click on Print button. Select the option of Single Page Report or All Transformers Report in Single Page. Select the customer name and serial numbers and click Print button to print test reports. New transformer design data can be entered or edited. This option is visible if the user is logged in as manager. Click on the transformer design data. Several templates for different transformer models can be created and stored. This avoids entering transformer design details for testing of the transformer every time. Now let us listen to the TAT user for his experience.
Good morning. My name is Lee Mbenge. I'm a projects engineer with Actom Distribution Transformers in South Africa. We are one of the 4 biggest players in the transformer industry in South Africa. We have recently purchased 2 automated equipment for testing transformers, for doing routine and type testing of distribution and medium power transformers. We've bought this equipment from Prolific Engineering, and the take on the equipment is that they've offered us excellent service so far. The equipment is good, the service is out of this planet, and we are very impressed with everything. These systems will help us a lot in our production facilities for higher throughput. We currently manufacture between 60 and 80 units a day, and this testing is usually a bottleneck. By getting this equipment, it will ensure that we meet our targets and better it.
My name is Jacob. I'm working for a company called Actom Distribution Transformers. We're situated in South Africa, Gauteng. We're one of the major players in the electrical sector. We focus on distribution transformers, ranging up from 16 kVA up to 5 MVA. We actually purchased 2 test sets from Prolific, the Indian company based in Thane. We ordered a 650 kVA automated system and a 2.5 semi-automated system. The quality on the actual panels has been very good. A nice experience in general. This will definitely affect production and output of production. Within our test setup, things will be quicker, more cost effective and efficient.
Prolific provides support on 24 hours basis for any of the issues brought to its notice. Prolific makes use of email, phone, fax, online chat, online download facilities to ensure its customers get unmatched support in the industry. Use of internet technologies by Prolific ensures customer feeling that the Prolific is at their doorstep. Today's technological advancements have made physical presence of software maintenance engineer at site avoidable and at times superfluous. You may fill the requirement form for your requirement of TAT to receive a proposal to satisfy